Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add picture to a post on Reddit. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Reddit, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding picture to a post on Reddit is an easy and a straightforward process, but it can enhance your content in several ways because images catch the eye and can make your post more visually appealing. This can attract more users to click on your post and engage with it. But first, what we need to do is click the create post option here at the upper right corner. Now, it's up to you on the title that you wanted to put in here, but in my case, I'm gonna put in like add a picture to a post on Reddit. Put something here. Similarly, click the bold. It's up to you. This is highly customizable anyway. Now you see there's a section that says images and video, and obviously what we're going to do is click on this button. Now you have two options. Click on this one. Click this option so that you can locate the directory of the photo that you want to post here, or you can simply drag and drop images or videos. It's up to you. In my case, I'm just gonna click on the button here and just wait for it to load. And if you want to add more videos again, all right, it's up to you. You can add another one here. Click on the add button. After that, simply click on the post. It's a very straightforward process, really. All right. But of course, before you can post, select a community and this one and click on post. That's how you add pictures on the Reddit or Reddit post. Click on that. Let's try to see if how we can do it on the mobile device or on the Reddit app. Now, inside the Reddit app on your mobile device, I need you to click on the create button here at the bottom. Once you are there, obviously there's going to be an image here section. There's the link, the video, and the pictures that you can add. So for example, and of course click this button right here for the images. Now all they're gonna do is you have the option to edit before you can post the pictures or add the pictures on the Reddit post. Just click on next, and if you're happy with it, all they're gonna do is click on next. And that's how you basically add pictures to a Reddit post. Remember that it's a valuable way to communicate your message effectively and attract attention within the Reddit community. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.